Hello everybody, this is Rajni Ohri from Ohri Ayurveda and I'm going to be talking about day creams today. How to rightly apply the cream so that you get optimum benefits from it, and how to choose the right cream for that beautiful skin. Now make sure that you always apply your cream on a well cleansed face. First of all, now there are 4 easy steps of the cream application which I would always recommend. Number 1, you should always prep your skin. Do not ever apply your cream on a dry face, because prepping ensures that there is a layer of moisture which will be sucked or seeped in deeply when you have a light film of cream on your skin throughout the day. Now I'm using Ratrani Beauty Water. You can use any of your facial mists or any of your essences or beauty waters. I recommend Ratrani because of its ancient secret to ageless skin. It's the moon water. Just dab it onto your face so that your face is well moist before you apply the cream. So the face is ready, my skin is well cleansed, and I've prepped it by applying the water. After you've applied the water, now step 2 is that you need to take this cream, open the jar, dip your two middle fingers and warm it in between your fingers. So fingertips, now this will make sure that the active ingredients are absorbed and activated well. So it's warmed between your fingertips. Dab it all over your face. And now is step 4, which is step 3, which is application. Now you have to start from the chin always. Make sure that your movements are a little firm but not very harsh. So softly but firmly pull up your skin on the sides of the mouth, of the nose, going up on the sides of the forehead into the temple, then on the sides from the under the eyes, taking it upwards, that's the upper cheeks. Now again upwards and outwards, then upwards and outwards on the lower cheeks, and then the jawline is sideways. Then sweeping movement on the neck. Neck movement should always be downwards. Do not try to pull your neck upwards. So you can always do it, repeat it again. This will ensure a deeper penetration of all the nourishing ingredients that your cream has, and also it will protect you throughout the day. After you've done that, drain. Simple movement is using the end of your palms to drain, because there are a lot of marma points above your eyebrows, so you'll be able to drain. This is a lymphatic drainage, draining out the stress, so you're ready to face the challenges throughout the day. Now all these 4 steps, just remember that you need to prep your skin, you need to warm the cream in between your fingers, apply it nicely, taking the massage steps. This is like a mini massage, which will also ensure that the muscles are toned and tightened. And the 4th is drain. Now how to choose your day cream? Now what is the function of a day cream first? That is to protect. Protect against UV, protect against the environment, protect against the free radical damage, protect us against the stress, and also protect the skin against drying out. Very important. It should not dry out. It should not look rough, or it should not look drained out. So what should be there in your cream, so that all these functions of protecting are well performed all throughout the day. So it should be a good combination of antioxidants and nature's best ingredients which can do the job well. So Ohri recommends rose and pomegranate cream, which is lighter in texture, and it has roses, it has pomegranate extract, and jojoba, coconut, as well as wheat germ, which is all like a super dose of antioxidants combined together, so that your skin remains hydrated all throughout the day, and it's not heavy as well. The turmeric is slightly heavier than the rose, not that heavy though, but then again a power dose of antioxidant is turmeric, which has curcumin, saffron, manjistha, as well as triphala and yashad bhasma and collagen to protect against UV. So all nature's best protectors are there. So that's what a day cream should have. Protect your skin nicely and form a nice shield onto your skin. So choose the right cream for your skin. Follow the 4 steps of application to make sure that you have beautiful skin each day. Thank you.